The unspoken challenge facing millions of men over 60, erectile challenges are far more common than we often hear discussed, especially among men over the age of 60. For many, it begins as a subtle shift. Responses aren't quite the same, moments feel less spontaneous, and confidence begins to quietly waver. These changes, while common, can deeply affect not just physical intimacy, but also emotional well-being, sense of connection, and quality of life. Despite its prevalence, erectile dysfunction remains surrounded by silence. It's treated as a taboo, a private struggle hidden behind closed doors. And yet, the truth is that millions of men across the world share this experience. What's often missed in this conversation is the fact that intimacy is not simply a biological function, it's a vital expression of closeness, vitality, and personal identity. In this moment of reflection, let us pause to ask a deeper question: not how we fix the problem quickly, but how we truly understand the body's signals. Rather than reaching for fast solutions or harsh chemicals, many are now looking back to nature for time-tested answers. And one such answer, surprisingly, may lie in a substance that has been in our kitchens for centuries: olive oil. Not just any oil, but extra virgin olive oil pressed from fresh olives, rich in antioxidants, and deeply woven into the Mediterranean way of life. While it's widely known for supporting heart health and reducing inflammation, newer insights suggest that its benefits may go even further, reaching into areas of men's health that are often left unexplored. Could something as humble as olive oil hold a key to supporting male vitality in a gentle, natural way? This video is an invitation to explore that question, not through hype or hollow promises, but through thoughtful analysis, careful science, and respectful reflection. Over the next segments, we'll examine the relationship between circulation and intimate function, the role of nitric oxide, and the remarkable ways olive oil may support both. We'll also walk through practical ways to integrate this golden oil into your everyday meals, small choices that may quietly build toward a stronger, more balanced sense of well-being. Because here at Silver Health Talk, we believe that aging does not mean decline, can mean clarity, strength, and even renewal. And that begins by listening deeply to the wisdom of our own bodies and honoring the gentle powers of nature that have supported human health for thousands of years. The quiet engine of vitality: how circulation shapes a man's intimate life. When we talk about male vitality, especially after 60, many imagine hormones or age as the main players, but beneath both lies something far more fundamental: circulation. The strength of a man's intimate life is deeply tied to the silent flow of blood within his body. Without it, everything else struggles to follow. Healthy blood flow is what allows the body to respond gently, naturally, and reliably. It's not just about anatomy. It's about how well your vessels expand, how freely your blood moves, and how responsive your system remains. These are subtle functions, often unnoticed when they work, but deeply felt when they begin to slip. As men age, the inner lining of blood vessels, the endothelium, can become less flexible. This isn't sudden. It's gradual narrowing, a stiffness there. Over time, this quiet decline can interrupt one of the most personal expressions of connection and confidence. This is where understanding matters, because when you know the root of change, you can begin to care for it, not with panic, but with purpose. Central to this conversation is a molecule called nitric oxide, a natural compound that tells blood vessels when to open and close. It's the body's own signal system, working behind the scenes to support intimacy, circulation, and even mood. But as we grow older, the body produces less of it. That drop can affect more than just physical readiness. It can shape how present and whole we feel. And yet, nature offers us a quiet ally. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols and healthy fats, supports the very mechanisms that maintain circulatory strength. It helps reduce oxidative stress, supports nitric oxide production, and may keep the blood vessels more responsive. It's not a miracle, it's a quiet support system, a steady, natural companion for a body that wants to keep working with you, not against you. What makes this approach so meaningful is its gentleness. No synthetic chemicals, no harsh interventions. just a return to what your body may already recognize as nourishment. Olive oil doesn't overpower your system, it reinforces it. It respects the pace of aging, and it encourages renewal not by forcing change, but by supporting function. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into what makes olive oil so uniquely suited to this role, what's inside it, how those components interact with male biology, and why choosing the right kind matters more than ever. Here at Silver Health Talk, we honor not just the science of the body, but the dignity of the journey. You are not broken. Your body is simply asking to be supported in a new way, and we're here to walk that path with you. What's inside olive oil and why it matters for men's health? When we speak of olive oil as a natural ally for men's health, especially beyond age 60, we're not talking about a trend, we're talking about its deeply rooted internal structure. This golden liquid is far more than a cooking ingredient. It's a source of powerful biological compounds that support systems essential to male vitality, circulation, hormones, and inflammation control. One of the most important components inside olive oil is polyphenols, natural antioxidants found in plants. These compounds defend the body against oxidative stress, a quiet but relentless process that damages cells and weakens blood vessels over time. For men, this stress often impacts the flexibility of arteries, blood flow, and even responsiveness in intimate moments. Polyphenols help protect the inner lining of blood vessels, allowing smoother, more efficient circulation. Next is oleic acid, the primary healthy fat in olive oil. It's a monounsaturated fat that helps the body reduce inflammation and supports the health of the heart. But oleic acid also plays a subtle role in hormonal balance. While aging naturally lowers testosterone, diets rich in healthy fats like oleic acid can help maintain better overall hormonal stability, supporting energy, mood, and long-term vitality. Olive oil also contains vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant known to protect tissues from damage, particularly in areas of the body that depend on fine, consistent blood flow. It enhances cellular health and may contribute to healthier aging at a systemic level. What's unique about olive oil is how these elements, polyphenols, oleic acid, and vitamin E, work together, not separately. This synergy gently supports the body's natural rhythms, encouraging balance without disruption. Rather than forcing change, olive oil helps restore the conditions under which the body can heal and perform at its best. It's not a quick fix. It's a quiet, daily source of reinforcement, a way to nourish your body without overwhelming it. And when combined with consistent movement, restful sleep, and emotional calm, it becomes part of a lifestyle that honors the wisdom of age without surrendering strength. In the next part, we'll move from theory to practice, how to choose the right olive oil, how to use it correctly, and how to make it a simple, lasting part of your daily rhythm. Here at Silver Health Talk, we stand by the belief that lasting wellness doesn't come from extremes. It comes from quiet, steady care delivered one thoughtful step at a time.